Open Monitor Stock/Requirements list. Enter material, plant, and then press Enter. You can see here the available stock is 0 quantity. Open Manage Stock. Enter material and plant. Select the icon beside the stock that you want to add initial stock, for example, Storage Location, 181A. Unrestricted Use Stock. Make the following entries and choose Post. Stock Change, Initial Entry. Quantity, 90. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements list and click on Refresh. You can see here, the available quantity is 90. Open Create PIA. Enter material, plant, planning horizon, and then press Enter. Enter requirement of 40 quantity in January 2025. Then click on Save. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements list and then click on Refresh. You can see independent requirement. Opens Schedule MRP Run. Click on Create and then enter MRP job name. Click on Step 2. Then click on Define Recurrence Pattern. Select Recurrence Pattern as Single Run and then tick on Start Immediately. Then click on OK. Click on Step 3. For 3 parameters section, enter Plant, Material. Tick on Changed BOM Components. Select Scheduling. 1. Select Planning Mode. 1. Choose Check at the bottom right. Then choose Schedule. Open Monitor Material Coverage. Click on User icon. Then click on App Settings. Now click on Area of Responsibility. You can see here, for Plant 1810 and MRP Controller 001, LR status is assigned. Click on Back. Search Material. Select Material from List and click on Manage Materials. Click on Start MRP Run. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements List and click on Refresh. You can see no planned order generated. Open Change PI. Enter Material, Plant and Planning Horizon, then press Enter. Change requirement quantity to 140. Then click on Save. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements List and then click on Refresh. Open Schedule MRP Run. Click on Create. Enter MRP job name. Click on Step 2. Click on Define Recurrence Pattern. Select Recurrence Pattern as Single Run and tick on Start Immediately. Click OK. Then click on Step 3. Enter Plant, Material. Select Scheduling 1, Planning Mode 1. Tick on Changed BOM Components. Click on Check and then click on Schedule. Open Monitor Material Coverage. Click on User icon. Select App Settings. Click on Area of Responsibility. You can see here, for Plant 1810 and MRP Controller 001, OR is assigned. Click on Back. Search Material. Select Material from List. Click on Manage Material, then click on Start MRP Run. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements List and then click on Refresh. You can see now planned order of 50 quantity is generated. Go to Monitor Material Coverage, select Convert from Edit drop-down list in the Actions column for a planned order. In the Convert Planned Order dialog box, choose Convert to Production Order, confirm delivery date and quantity. Choose Convert. Click on Production Order. Click on Open and then click on Production Order. Go to Menu and select Change. Enter production order number and press Enter. Select Release Order option. Then click on Save. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements list and click on Refresh. Open Post Goods Movement. Select Goods Issue Against Order and enter order number. Then press Enter. Tick Item OK and enter storage location for components. Click on Check. Now click on Post. You can see message, material document is posted. Open Confirm Production Order Operation. Enter production order. Select Operation from drop-down. Select confirmation type as Final Confirmation, and then press Enter. Now click on Actual Data. Then click on Goods Movements. Select Post. Then you can see message, confirmation of order is saved. Open Post Goods Movement. Select Goods Receipt Against Order and enter production order number. Then press Enter. Tick on Item OK and enter storage location. Click on Check. Now click on Post. Then you can see message, material document number is posted. Go to Monitor Stock/Requirements list, and then click on Refresh. You can see available quantity is equal to PIR entered. Open Display Warehouse Stock. Enter material, plant, then click on Run. Here, you can see unrestricted stock with total value.